Hello, my alien students. How are you all? It's been some time since John has done some magic on YouTube, let's say, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Today, actually, this is, to be honest, today it's a doubt clarification class. Okay. One of my alien students had a doubt. I'll say not an alien student, say baby alien student, isn't it? Yeah. What was the doubt? I'll tell you what's the doubt. Okay, listen. I sent him this file. Okay, this was partially his homework. And when he came to the 3D view, okay, I think it's very clear. 1 minute. Let me make it more clearer. I'll tell you what's his question. 1 minute. Just let me see my mobile. And yeah, see. Dear Alien John. Okay, that's a nice way to tell hello. Blah blah blah. I have some problem in opening this 3D view. In the sense, what he meant to say is, actually I'm trying to elaborate what he's trying to convey message. But anyway, the message is as follows. Okay, I've opened this 3D view. Okay, we've opened this beautiful 3D view. Okay, I come to the Revit links and I see it's loaded. Fine, it is loaded. It's loaded in the project. Okay, to make things more worst, let me just go to any floor plan and I can see, just a second, I can see this architectural floor plan has been loaded. So yeah, so that's the story. John, I know my floor plan has been loaded, okay, in one of the views, but in the other view I can't see it, though it is showing as it loaded. Fine, accepted. Can any of my students, say alien students on YouTube, give me, or let's say convey the message or give me an answer why I cannot see? It's an easy answer. To be honest, it's a very, let's say, a chocolate answer. Okay, most probably he's overthinking. My student is overthinking, or he's kind of new to the let's say to the world of Revit MEP. So he's unable to maybe link things together. Anyway, maybe the word which I'm using, link, is not the right word, but I guess, okay, I tell you one thing, okay, whoever is watching this video, tell me what you would do. Okay, I'm going to give you the answer now, because, he's waiting for the answer, he's not waiting for, isn't it? It's not fair from my side. Anyway, so I thought I'll show you that trick, but before that, I thought let me just show you some, teach you something. Okay, even he had this question on, John, what's the difference between hosted and non-hosted family? Okay, so or most probably in the next video let's show you everyone how to do, what's the difference between it. For example, if I selected this object, now this plumbing fixture or this water closet, how do I know is this an object, this water closet, hosted or a non-hosted one? Okay, that's the question number one. Okay, I think in the next video I show you what's the difference between hosted and non-hosted. This is kind of a beautiful, tricky question, okay, kind of basic question. I teach you how to do it. It's something very simple. You get the trick, and then it's going to be easy. Okay, so yeah, coming back to the story, go to the 3D view. Okay, it is loaded, but I can't see it. Why? When I see the word "see it," I cannot see it. Can I say the word visibility? It is not visible. Isn't it? I can't see it. In other words, it is not visible. Isn't it? Common sense. Anyway, so whenever you don't see and see something, okay, it's called visibility, isn't it? So Revit is sometimes they're always your friends, isn't it? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to something called as visibility graphics. Okay, you have different ways to go there. Okay, one option would be typing. This is the way, if you are one of my student, you would be noticing I always like to type. Okay, yeah, so one method would be typing VG. That's called VG. No enter. This is not AutoCAD. This is Revit. Another option would be type VV. You have the same story. Well, you have another option. Let's say a couple of options now. Okay, so some people, John, I don't like to type. I said, fine, I have options for you. can you see, if you're in this view, can you see here on the properties palette, visibility graphics? Actually, it's visibility graphics. Let me see. Yeah, visibility graphics override. Okay. So if you click this, you get the same beautiful window. Okay. I have another option also. Okay. Go to the views and click visibility graphics. Okay. That they say VG. Okay. I type VV, whatever. Okay. Okay. Now I've clicked visibility graphics. Okay. It's clear now, right? Okay, what in this view, the back view, okay, the view which is behind this, is what is not clear. It is, you know, a Revit, isn't it? It's a Revit link. Okay, it's not the model. Why? If I select this object, it is a model, isn't it? Okay, so back to the story. Type V or VG or whatever. Okay, go to this Revit link. Can you see this Revit link? Yeah. Tab. Okay, and just click your friend this check this. Check means click it. Okay, and click apply. Click OK, and then you say, John, okay, now I found it. Okay, so again, just repeat the procedure. Either you type VG, VV, whatever. Okay, go to the Revit link. I'm going to uncheck it just to show you, you know, apply. Okay, it disappeared. Okay, let's just do some okay, isn't it? And again, go to VG, VV, whatever, click it. Visibility, come on, this is common sense. Okay, doesn't matter. I like your doubt. It's you know, it's a good doubt. Click apply and say thank you, isn't it? I hope it's clear now. Go to the floor plan. You have the same story everywhere. Okay, we are in the floor plan. We type VG. So what you can understand, I want you to tell me something. So what you can understand is VG basically controls visibility of what? The components, isn't it? Or the model category. I will be learning about this. Okay, but I appreciate your doubt. Beautiful doubt. You're learning. That's good. Okay. So I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful alien class today. Maybe it was short. I know it was short. Okay, kind of 7 minutes something. Anyway, doesn't matter. Okay. So maybe in the next class, not next class, in the next video or something, I would. I think it's a good, another good method, a good question coming up. What's the difference between a hosted element and a non-hosted element? It's something which is you know, something very beautiful, something very kind of confusing. Some people make it confusing, but I think it's a very easy topic. Okay, what I'll tell you is I'm going to post this video now. Okay, I would like some, you know, in the comment section, you know, use your human or say alien brains and let me know the answer. Okay, and I'm going to explain it to you in the next class or something. What's the difference? Maybe in the next video it will be what's the difference between a hosted and a non-hosted element. Okay, this is something very, it's an easy, really easy topic. Okay, I think Revit is easy. Anyway, I just for the doubt he asked, now he knows how to do he got the solution for it. Okay, so we keep moving forward like this. Take care and see ya. Okay, yalla, bye.